One of the biggest mistakes I think law firms are making right now is assuming AI is going to replace Google. And I don't think that's what's happening at all. I think something much more interesting is happening. People aren't replacing Google. They're simply changing how they ask questions. And if you're responsible for bringing new clients into your law firm, understand that shift could become one of the biggest competitive advantages you have over the next few years. Now let's talk about how people searched 10 years ago. If someone needed an estate planning attorney, they might Google estate planning attorneys near me or probate lawyer in Pittsburgh. Very short, very keyword focused, not conversational at all. We could even go back 20 or 30 years ago. They would probably open the yellow pages like I did and pick out the firm or business that had the best ad. Today, that same person might open ChatGPT and ask, my parents just moved to South Carolina. What should they think about before updating their estate plan? Same need, completely different behavior. People are now asking full questions with context. Google isn't disappearing. People are simply adding another new way to search. Today, someone might discover your law firm through Google, ChatGPT, YouTube, LinkedIn, referrals, online directories, another AI assistant, or even a recommendation generated by AI. Those channels aren't replacing each other. They're working together, which means your marketing strategy has to work across all of them. So naturally, the question becomes, how do you increase your chances of showing up when somebody asks AI a leading question? Oddly enough, the answer isn't nearly as complicated as many people think. AI systems are looking for the same things people are looking for. Helpful information, clear explanations, trustworthy expertise. Now think about the questions your clients ask you every week. Questions like, do I need a will or a trust? What happens after a DUI arrest? How long does probate take? How much is inheritance tax? How do I form an LLC? If you've never answered those questions publicly, AI has nothing to recommend. One of the simplest things you can do is create content around the questions you're already answering every day. And honestly, if I could recommend one format for creating that content, it would be video. And here's why. People don't just hire attorneys because they're knowledgeable. They hire attorneys they trust. A blog demonstrates your expertise.
A video demonstrates my expertise and my personality.
People hear how you explain things.
They see how you communicate. They get to know a bit of your personality, and they begin to feel like they've already met you before they've even scheduled a consultation. That's incredibly valuable because trust starts long before someone ever picks up the phone. In many cases, by the time someone contacts your office, they may have watched several of your videos, read one of your blog posts, seen your content on LinkedIn, visited your website, and maybe even asked ChatGPT questions about your practice area. At that point, they're not calling a complete stranger anymore, which is a bit of a weight off of their shoulders because calling a law firm can be intimidating. And here's what I love about video. You don't create it for just one platform. One video can become your YouTube video, a blog article, a LinkedIn article, several LinkedIn posts, short social media clips, Google Business Profile updates, email newsletters, and content that AI systems can better understand. One piece of content, multiple discovery paths. That's why we have spent so much time on this channel talking about repurposing content. You're not creating more work. You're simply getting more value from the work you've already done, which saves you time and money. So here is one thing that you can do today for a quick win. Grab a piece of paper. Write down the last 5 questions a client has asked you. That's it. Those 5 questions can be your next 5 blog posts, 5 YouTube videos, 5 LinkedIn articles, and 5 opportunities for someone or even AI to discover your expertise. It's one of the simplest exercises you can do. Want to go a step further? Set up your phone like I'm doing, sit at your desk, and answer the questions simply and succinctly. You now have all the marketing pieces you need for the next month. I don't think law firms should spend all of their time trying to optimize for Google or ChatGPT or YouTube or LinkedIn. Instead, optimize for being the best answer. Because helpful content works in Google, in ChatGPT, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, and for referrals. If you've been following this channel, you've probably noticed we've talked about websites, YouTube, LinkedIn, referrals, creating content once and repurposing it everywhere. This is why, because no matter where someone starts looking, your expertise should already be there. That's really what most of our videos have been about. It's not about chasing the newest platform. It's not about trying to outsmart the next algorithm. It's about creating content that genuinely helps people, builds trust, and then making sure that trust can be discovered wherever someone happens to be looking. Create trust once, distribute it everywhere. I really think that's what modern legal marketing looks like. And if you'd like help building that kind of system, take a look at our Law Firm Kickstarter Kit. It's designed to help law firms create educational content once and distribute across multiple platforms without requiring attorneys to spend hours every week creating new content. There's a link in the description below. And if this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe, because every week we're sharing practical marketing strategies specifically for law firms and showing you how to stay ahead of the changes happening in legal marketing. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.